Hey there, Geometry Cats. Today we will be looking at an IXL skill actually and try to get you up to speed on it. This is IXL skill XQ7 GL.2 Congruence in Transformations. This is one that a lot of people are struggling with, so I thought I'd do a few more problems of it and try to get you guys all up to speed. I hope you all are doing well. I miss you guys. So let's do this. Alright, so let's find the coordinates of this after a transformation. We have T. Yellow is a terrible color to use. So I'm being hushed. My kids are kind of sleeping. So T is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? S is going to be 3, 5. R is 1, 0. And U is -1, 5, right? That's going to get in the way where I drew it, but that's fine. So we want to reflect it across the line x equals -1. Before we do that, we need to ask ourselves, what does line x equals -1 look like? Well, remember, if it's x equals, that's a vertical line. And vertical lines go like this, right? Up and down. If you have y equals something, that's a horizontal line. So it goes like this. Because it's x equals, it goes up and down. And I go to the point -1. So I go over to -1. There's going to be a line right here. Alright? And I did buy that, but they didn't give it to me. So I'm going to reflect each of these over that line. Now remember, with a reflection, it's the same distance on both sides. So you just count to that line of reflection, then you count perpendicular the other way. So like T, I'm going to go over 1, 2. There's the line. So go over 1, 2 more. I have to erase that beast. That's my way. 1, 2, 1, 2. So our new point for T prime is -3 up 5. Our original point was 3, 6. 3, 6. -3, 6. Okay? Okay. U to U prime doesn't move, guys. It's on the line, so it's 0 away. So you go 0 the opposite direction. Easy peasy. I should probably check this, make sure sound's working. I've had some bad times with this in my life. All right, now let's look at S. So for S, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's my new S prime. It's now at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5 because I went left, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last one, R. So let's go. R is 1, 2, 1, 2. To this side, and that goes to R prime, which would be -3 because I go left 3 from 0, 0, up, down 0. Oh, perfectly drawn. Perfectly drawn. Alright, so that's one of the problems. Let's do 2 more, actually. I want to get you guys some good reviews for all 5 of you who will watch this. I wish I was using a rotation. Let's look at a rotation. Alright, guys, I paused a second to infringe on some copyright law. Alright, so we're going 270 degrees counterclockwise. So we need to find the rule that works for us. Well, look at this. Rotation of 270 degrees counterclockwise. So every x and y is you're going to switch your x and y. You're going to put a negative in front of the second component. So let's see what that looks like. Let's start with A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is 5 over and 9 down. Now to go to A prime, I'm going to switch my x and y. I'm going to put negative in front of that second component. There we go. -9, 5. There's a prime. And we're going 270 around. That's going to get in the way. All right, next one. Let's look at B. So B is 9, -4, right? So I'm going to switch my x and y. I'm going to put negative, because of this, in front of my x, which is my new y. It's -4, 9. So I go over 4, down 9. So that's B prime. You guys want to see more? We get going too. So C is what? 5, -3. So again, we're going to switch them. Put negative from our second term. -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's C prime. Switch them. Put negative front. Pick the rule that works. Write this down if you need it, guys. You can use notes on IXLs. That's fine. So D is what? 1, -4. So we switch them. And we're going to put negative in front of that second number. Let's go left 4, down 1. Boom. Drew perfectly. 270 degrees. Last one. Whoa. I need to zoom out a little bit. Alright, let's take a look at this piece. It's not a reflection. We're going over the line y equals x. The first thing we need to know about this is what's the line y equals -x look like? Well, y equals x looks like, if this is my coordinate plane, just a straight diagonal line like this, right? Because there's the point 1, 1, and 2, 2, and 3, 3, and 4, 3. Whereas the line y equals -x doesn't look like that at all. Y equals -x, I guess this one, goes the opposite way. Because you have the point -1, 1. And the point 1, -1. Okay, because plug in 1 for x, you get -1 for y. So that line looks something like this. I'm doing my best. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to count the distance to the line. And I'm going to go that far the other direction. So T is 1.5 away. So I go half and 1 away for T prime. U is 1, 2. That's on there. So then U prime will be 1, 2. V is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Diagonal boxes away. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. W is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. Half 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you go. It's that easy. I drew a slug. Alright guys, I really do hope this helped. Please ask questions if you have them. And have a great day.